In the ever-evolving landscape of digital content, unlocking YouTube success has become an art that combines creativity and strategic prowess. The Unlocking YouTube Success Leonardo AI Tutorial for Dominating SEO is a beacon of knowledge in this realm. This essay delves into the essence of this tutorial, shedding light on its significance and what it offers to both aspiring and seasoned content creators. At its core, this tutorial serves as a gateway to mastering the intricate world of search engine optimization, SEO, within the context of YouTube. Leonardo AI, a guiding force in this tutorial, unveils the power of SEO strategies that elevate videos to the pinnacle of search results. From deciphering keywords to crafting compelling descriptions and titles, every facet of the SEO journey is meticulously covered. Moreover, the tutorial transcends SEO by delving into the art of crafting captivating content. It provides an invaluable roadmap for creators to captivate audiences, fostering engagement that goes beyond views and likes. The tutorial's finale brings forth the tools for assessing performance, allowing creators to refine their strategies for continual growth. In essence, Unlocking YouTube Success isn't just a tutorial. It's a passport to the world of thriving digital content creation. Leonardo AI's expertise coupled with SEO insights transforms the way creators approach their content, enabling them to stand out in the digital cacophony. As YouTube continues to shape the online narrative, this tutorial stands as a guiding light, empowering creators to dominate both the art of content and the science of SEO.